Because some lighting is like really bad in here, but I have like a million things to do and a whole like free day to do them. And so of course, me being me, I was like, okay, I'm going to go to Home Goods first. And I did. And it made me so happy. I got a wreath for the front door. Oh, nail broke. I bought a wreath for the front door. I got this pillow. I thought it was really cute. We need another accent. We don't need another accent pillow. I wanted one. And then I got a throw blanket, and it was really affordable. So I'm gonna do that as like the Christmas tree skirt. We're finally gonna bring in the tree today. It's funny, I talked to my mom earlier and she was laughing. She's like, you've been saying that for 2 weeks straight. Like, today's the day we're actually gonna bring the tree in. I'm just being lazy because we have to walk all the way to the garage, grab the tree, and carry it back. It can't fit in my car. I have a convertible. So the box is too big and it's too bulky to fit in the car. The reason I'm keeping my mask on, I'm breaking out so bad. I have like mask knee, which is ironic. But I don't like, the mask covers everything. I didn't put makeup on like the bottom half of my face. I just put my lashes and eyeliner on. So I have to do meal prep today. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's right now. And then bring everything inside. I have to unpack. I have my little vision board back there. I'm gonna unpack and then meal prep a lot today and finish cleaning, and I'm gonna bring that damn Christmas tree in because I've been saying I'm gonna do it for a long time. I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna make sure that happens. And then whatever else, I forget what else I have to do. It'll come to me. Okay, going to Trader Joe's. How do people film vlogs like when you're running errands and you go in the grocery store? Like, I feel weird bringing my camera in and just start filming. Maybe in like a bigger, like when I lived in LA maybe, but right now I live in like a smaller town and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like that's weird to bring your camera. How do I get over this like uncomfortableness like vlogging? Because I do want to vlog like errands and things, but like I just want to like bring my camera and be like, okay, this is what I'm doing, but I feel so uncomfortable. I can't bring my phone in. My camera. I can't bring the camera in. See, like there's a woman right now like staring at me because she's getting into the car next to mine. It feels so awkward. Oh my god, I'm gonna shut off the camera. Okay, bye. I'm gonna be doing meal prep today, so I have like all my veggies, meat, celery, fruit for all my smoothies. I think these are new. I haven't seen them before. From Seja, I've done their cleanses before where you just drink like 5 of these a day. I haven't seen the celery. Usually I'll make my own, but just in case I'm like running late in the morning. I've been hungry when I went shopping, so yeah. But that's everything. I'll take literally everything out, scrub down the shelves, and then I can load up all of this back in. So I kind of spread out everything so I can see what I have, and then go through whatever is expired and kind of tidy it up so it looks a little bit nicer. So I'm going to do that now. pot. It takes about half an hour from the start to finish. I have salmon, asparagus. I have this salmon. I have another salmon in here. I kind of want to mix it up into a different flavor. So I'm